But do you honestly, truly believe that the SEC is more concerned about, main concern is about protecting retail investors from losses?
Well, there's a couple of things here. I mean, first of all, the SEC is concerned about retail investors. It's concerned that, like with all bubbles, the people who will always end up getting hurt the most are the people who pile in at the end, who put in more money than they probably should, and end up holding the bag at the end of the frenzy when the tide has gone out. So they are very concerned with protecting investors. They're also concerned about preventing fraud. When I was a prosecutor, one of the things that was essential to any major or sustained securities fraud was convincing people to hold on to their stock and that companies had good news to report. With the meme stock frenzy, you don't even have to fake that. People will pile into these because it's part of a social identity, part of a tribalism that propels people to invest in these meme stocks. So clearly there is an element of protecting investors here. But there, as you say, the other aspect is more than that. The issue is larger market integrity concerns, which the SEC is also concerned about as well. There's a concern that markets are supposed to be allocating capital. They're supposed to be allocating capital to good companies with good prospects that make products that people want, that have revenues, that have profits. If money is going into meme stock companies that don't report fundamentals that would normally be the reason why you would invest, does that mean that money is not going into other, perhaps more deserving companies? So there's that issue. And then there's also the concern of market contagion. As with any bubble, once it bursts, you don't know how large the splash zone is going to be. You don't know, is this going to be limited to AMC, meme stock, Bed Bath & Beyond, and other similar companies, or is it going to extend past that? Are people with large losses in these companies going to sell off other aspects of their portfolios, leading to losses in that? So there are these larger concerns that are at stake besides just protecting investors.